time we have a customer. Yo, good morning. Good morning, guys. Coffee time. It's time for coffee. Salut. Morning. Vaslui, salut. So, how is everyone? Grab a coffee because it's Saturday and it's coffee time. Toast and peanut butter with coffee. Not bad. Good morning, Canada, Serbia, Sri Lanka. Good morning, guys. Bacău, salut. Happy birthday, mulțumesc. Thank you. Thank you, Ludo. So, it's weekend. You can grab a coffee or a tea or whatever, and we can speak about some things. If you have any questions about electronics. Mulțumesc, Adrian. Is your birthday today? No, it was yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday. Bogdan, mulțumesc. Mulțumesc, Loco. Mulțumesc, Silviu. Wow, so many Romanian people here. Good morning, guys. Horst, mulțumesc. Gadget, thank you. Thank you very much. DR, greetings from Germany. Good morning. Lisboa, good morning. Happy birthday, thank you. George, mulțumesc. How old are you, Sorin? Too old, that's the problem. You know, the time is just flying. I can't believe. I mean, I wish to be younger. Glisha, thank you very much. Thank you. Anatoly, thank you. Dreamcat, good morning. Alejandro, good morning. Golden Movie, good day from Iraq. Bulgaria, Jordan, good morning. Mark, good morning. You are 54? Yeah, you are a little bit older than me. Imagine now having a 20 and this technology is coming. Yeah. Age is just a number. Do you have any advice how to clean up underfill glue? I mean, clean it how? because you can take the chip out with hot air. Then you can clean it with the soldering iron itself. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Use the solder iron, and you can clean it. You are not all but gold. Palinka, aș vrea să am aici. I got 50 coming up soon. Yeah. Let's don't speak about birthday, because this will be a depressing stream. Madalin, mulțumesc. What you're gonna do with your antenna? Keep it up in the air? Which antenna you mean? The antenna, the ham antenna, or related with the helium? Helium is still there. I'm just waiting for the change with the IoT token, and on this point, the people ask what is worst, the Luna or the HNT. Yes, pretty sad. Croatia, good morning. Thank you very much. Are you planning any Arduino projects? iFix, you know how it is. When you have a hobby means you don't work. You're doing the hobby. If you don't work, you don't make money. And on this point of my life, I have to work. We just started the business, and I'm trying to get a job soon as possible. I mean, I did jobs like the job arrived on the same day was fixed, and on the same day was sent back. I'm just trying to get some positive reviews on Trustpilot website. Good morning from Cameroon. Good morning. Jose, good morning. Happy birthday from Scotland. Thank you very much, John. France. Good morning, thank you. I want to buy a thermal camera. PC 210 camera. Not sure about this, I never heard, but I can check. Thermal camera. Well, it is cheap. Decent resolution, I mean 256 192. It's just decent. Yeah, for this price. 277 pound. Yeah, probably for this price is decent. Do you have a favorite what you like fixing? I like laptops. I don't really like phones. Erno, thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Ioan, mulțumesc. I'm in the school of programming. Try to DIY fix hardware. Working on my own stuff. Yeah, I believe that's, it give you like a... Actually, when you are working for you. You are doing the jobs a little bit different. I mean, you are paying more attention to every job compare when you work for someone else, right? Ali, yeah, what do you want to know about the Wi-Fi? Thank you very much, Yeti. Greetings from Croatia. Thank you. I heard there is some cool Android thermal camera. Not sure. Mario, mulțumesc frumos de donație, mulțumesc. Thank you very much. So, guys, did you see in the video from yesterday? What's your opinion about the future of the BIOS programming? I mean, this is crazy. Obviously, I underestimate that job. Clearly, I didn't think. I never done it before, like BIOS programming on a Dell XPS. But when I found the challenge and actually the cost of that kind of job, I mean, the price of someone which is selling that BIOS was more compared with the price what I asked for the repair, which is crazy. I mean, okay, this time I just spoke with the friends helped me, and okay. But otherwise, it's not worth doing it. We fixed TVs. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Lisbon, good morning. What kind of camera you're using for the power supply? It's just a cheap one, the cheapest possible you can find to buy. I don't know, it's some 720 pixels. Ausdom, that's the brand. Ausdom Full HD. Ausdom. Let me have a look. It just what? No, here must be something wrong. Website is 79, but on eBay is like 18. It's still expensive. I remember I paid less. I'm pretty sure I paid less for this camera, but have a look around. Yeah, this is the. I can't send it. I can't send the link. That's insane. It's too long. Well, I can't send it. I can show you then. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Just have a look. I mean, it's nice because I cannot use the focus. Yeah, that's why I bought it. But it's just crap, you know. It's nothing special with this camera. It's just a cheap camera. George, good morning. Thank you. Good morning. Daniel, am auzit. Eu nu am făcut tranzacții cu Binance niciodată. Am lucrat numai cu Crypto.com, n-am avut nicio problemă, nu știu mai mult de atât. Dar probabil că prețul va cădea sub $1. Știi cum zice englezul? It is what it is. Have you tried use a tool LBE++? It makes BIOS repair much easier. Diane, you know what? I got some messages from people say, sorry, next time just let me know and I'll help you with the BIOS. And the problem is, this is not a normal BIOS. On a normal BIOS, I don't need help. This is the next level. Yeah. And I'm really sorry I compare with Apple on the video. I compare with Apple based on the price, but actually Apple BIOS it's nothing. But the Dell XPS one, it's insane. Mario, mulțumesc frumos de sub. Thank you for the sub. For the member, sorry. Thank you for the member. George, mulțumesc. My wife repairs Sarmale? Not really. Yesterday was Diablo 4 beta launch, and yeah, she played. She didn't cook. Morning, sorry, in my place it is raining. Same like here, raining. I've worked on many XPS board. I get them. So how you deal with the BIOS? Because everything has to be inside of the BIOS. I mean, everything what's in on the board. I do have a picture. 1 second. I do have a picture with the requirement in order for someone to cook a BIOS. 1 second. Let me find the picture. Yeah, I found it. Yeah. So you need this sticker, you need this barcode, and this serial from here. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It's insane. Mohammed, sorry, I want to begin my work like you on YouTube. You know what? I said it many times. That's the only way to give back something to the humanity, yeah? To share your knowledge. Whatever knowledge you have, doesn't matter. No one is stupid, Just, everyone is on a different side. They have different knowledge. But sharing is, it's the next level. Just trying to help the others with your knowledge. And I said that many times. If you can, just, film whatever you are repairing and try to share with others. I seen on YouTube, there are people, they really try to help. I mean, okay, many seen the YouTube as a business because you get some income from YouTube. But has to be something, beyond being a business. Let me show you something. 1 second. I'm not sure how many of you follow Jerry Riggs Everything. You know the guy. You should know the guy. The guy is big, right? Right? Jerry. And I seen his video, and I was so impressed, by what he achieved. So he started a project with building a library in Kenya, I believe. And he made the video. He finally finished the library. You know, I was so impressed about his project. If you didn't see the video, have a look. And also, I seen the one he also paid for the people to have water there. I mean, the life is harder. It's not like we are living like Europe, United States, you know, but there are some poor countries like, you know, like this one. They don't have a library. And I was impressed from the beginning of the project. Let me see videos where he published the. And you know, when you believe in someone project, you know how it is. No, I don't think I can find that. Was a video. Wait, I need your help, and I did help. But yeah, I think it was like 5 months ago. 5. Not sure. Probably he took out that video, the one from the beginning. But yeah, you see, there are people they really love to help the others. Laptop assembly. My videos are not great, but try to answer to all questions in order to help. You know, that's the things with the YouTube. And on a video, let's say I'm doing a video replacing a specific chip. So if I write that chip on the video tag, whoever is searching for that chip, which has same problem, he will find that video based on the tag. Yeah. Firephone, thank you very much. Thank you. Can I check the 1 volt charger input and how? I don't have a power supply. If you want to check voltage, you have to use a multimeter in order to check voltage. Hi from Greece. Good morning. How did you learn electronics? I learned myself. I love the electronics from small child being, and you know, when you love something, you will learn it. How did you learn repairing electronics? If you look for repairing, that's not the what do you want to learn repairing. It's, you know, you just learn electronics, and knowing electronics, you will know to repair. I mean, one when you have the basics of the electronics, it'll come easy to diagnose something. Hi, Sorin from Zimbabwe. Good morning. Trebuia să reparăm singur lucrurile, așa am învățat și eu. Da, ceva de genul ăsta. Hi, Sorin, if you like sarmale, you should check. You know what? I know the Turkish sarma, but I don't know. I love the way how my wife are cooking that kind of food, and yes, I really like it. You put some flax in the vape. Watching your video while repairing a customer HP motherboard, pure pleasure. Yeah, it's nice. Always when I work, I'm listening someone else, a video. I'm playing a video. Good morning from Ireland. Good morning, Fleming. Happy birthday. Thank you, Carlos. Do you need any certification to be a laptop repair in UK? No. Okay, guys, so everyone finished the coffee? Eventually, it's a good idea to share if whatever you are doing, you have any problems. But wait. Laptop assembly. Dexas is Dexas from our Discord? Because I did see duplicate names on. I don't think. Dexas, it will never ask me for a project, a power supply project. Right? Yes, what? I think he is. I don't think it is. Do you have any plans to revisit Lab Bench PSU project? No. Dexas, it will not ask something like that. Right? No, he's sleeping. He's not even here. Oh, it is here. I had 2 coffee already this morning. My one is the third one. I had my first coffee like 2:30. And the second probably around 6 o'clock a.m. British from North Germany. Olaf, good morning. Electrorep, good morning. I'm starting to learn also, but it's hard to learn at older age. I definitely understand you. That's why I said, the easy way to learn. The easy way to learn. I mean, many people, they start trying to fix something without knowledge, and that it will not work. Or we have people trying to learn from videos. And you can get an idea from videos, yeah? They can point you in the right direction. But the easy way to learn is to start playing. You can buy electronic kits Basically, it's an electronic board with and you have to solder everything and make it work. You can buy it from even from eBay. Before it was Maplin, but Maplin doesn't exist anymore. So you can buy from eBay. Now, trying to put together those kits, yeah, first you'll get the soldering skill. Then you'll, probably you'll do mistakes or you'll try to swap some parts on the boards to do something else. You can't do it. Now, just playing on this way, you'll learn quicker electronics because practicing is something else compared with if you go to the school learning theory. But when you finish the school, actually, you don't know nothing. You have an idea about how the things are working, but you have no practice. So I believe practice is a little bit more important, especially on our field. I mean, repairing is not a school for repairing. You can learn about electronics, but not repairing. Uh, Techniques, optics, how to set up multimeter to check 19 volts. It's very easy. When you buy a multimeter, you have a manual and saying, okay, to check voltage, switch to V, and you switch to V and you can check voltage. Or I'm pretty sure on YouTube you'll find a lot of videos how you can use a multimeter to check voltage. Children loves to play. Christopher, I don't know if you are old, but I see myself. I'm getting older. I start loving to play. I mean, the older I get, the more I want to play. I don't want to repair. I don't want to. I just want to play. I think probably the getting older, you are same like being a child. Nessa Sack, how to understand finding shorts on motherboard. I do have few videos, so check the playlist, especially playlist for beginners. Um and you can find some interesting videos about checking the motherboard. Oh, okay, okay, give me 1 second. So actually, Dexas, it is Dexas. Yeah, it's him. Mother's Day tomorrow? No. What do you mean? No. Was 8th of March, Mother's Day. Dreamcat. And what country is Mother's Day tomorrow? You ever get to repair automotive control modules? In the past, I do have some BMW computers for repair, but in the last time, I didn't get anything. I mean, it's cheaper. Let's say you have a broken, I don't know, whatever you have broken from your car. So, I don't know. You'll buy one from, I don't know, like the people they are stripping down the cars. I mean, it will be cheaper compared to repair it, right? Mother's Day in UK is on 19 March. Bro, wait. We are not living on the same world? Oh, yeah, he's right. It's a 19. How? How is a 19? It's not on 8 of March every year. We have two Mother's Day. You can confuse the International Women's Day. Wait, what is this then? Okay, okay, I got the point. So I'm confusing the Woman's Day with the Mother's Day. No, Mother's Day, Woman's. Yeah, you're right. Women's Day is on 8. Wait, you know the ladies they have so many days. I mean, 8 March, 19 March, and we have like 1st of March, which is again something else. Can't believe. Yeah, you're right. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Look, George is saying tomorrow is Father's Day. Every day is a Mother Day. Yeah. 90% of the repairs on YouTube are all about laptop repairs, but there is no desktop motherboard repair. That's because the motherboards are cheaper for desktops. They don't really get broken. And if they get broken, how do you think a laptop motherboard will get broken? So you have a big fan there on the CPU, then you have a bunch of fans. Yeah, you have the fans, a power supply, then you have on the case. So most likely, if a motherboard, a desktop motherboard, it will die. It will die probably from cracked solders or cracked tracks or something related with the vibration from the case, which is really hard to be found. You know, a fault like this, most likely impossible to be found. Goga, din păcate nu. Din păcate nu. Sunt foarte scumpe aici mărțișoarele, care vin de fapt de la noi din țară. Tray SP, I don't really understand. Acer laptop with 5 volts on ground pin at the power connector. I mean, it has to be 19, not 5, right? Tahir, please explain common codes for no display on Lenovo laptops. I mean, no display means the laptop is coming on, right? No display means you don't also have backlight. Yes, we are speaking no backlight, no display, no picture, because they are two different things. They are completely two different things, the picture and the backlight. Now, if indeed you don't have backlight and you don't have picture, then you have a big problem. That means your laptop didn't pass the BIOS motherboard check. So when you press the power button, the BIOS, the EC chip, it will run a short auto test on the main components of the motherboard. If the board is passing the test, you will see the backlight. That will be the first things what you will see. You'll see the backlight, and then you'll see the writing on the screen. Now, if your board didn't pass the test, that means the test can be wrong. That means you have a problem with the IO chip program itself. Then you can have a problem with the chipset, then you can have a problem with the CPU, then you can have a problem with the graphics, with the RAM memory. So it's hard to say what is the problem there. Lavian, salut. Yeah, yeah, quite expensive. Am impresia că undeva la 2-3 lire un mărcișor. Adică nu mă înțelege greșit. Totuși, e un pic cam mult. How to detect the cause of a problem on the 5 volts line on a laptop motherboard? Why do you think it's a problem there? Why do you think it's a problem there? Because on the 5 volts, you don't have too many things. I mean, you have all the USB ports are on 5 volts. The audio IC can be on 5 volts. But if not sure, I mean, it's shorted. You have a 5 volts power rail shorted, and you can come with the power supply and see what is shorted. Gigi, înțelegi? Problema e că acolo poate să fie orice. Când spun orice, înseamnă absolut orice. Numai să-l desfaci, dai capacul jos, să-l pornești și iei frumos șurubelnița și lovești frumos în fiecare componentă, începând cu port de încărcare, memorie, tot. Altfel n-ai cum să găsești un defect de genul ăsta. Hello from Indonesia, good morning. Vico regulators are usually on 5 volts. No, I never seen not even one on 5 volts. All are on the main power rail. What do you mean? You're still repairing the shop? I'm repairing jobs from that shop, but not in the shop. No videos from there? No, not anymore. Sorry. Stavros, you have a good A side for your age. How old do you think I am? I'm not that old. What do you mean? I'm not even 50. The logic core. What do you mean logic core? There is nothing logic. What do you mean? Dexas, what's wrong with you, man? You mean about the driver of the MOSFET? That's what you try to tell me? The driver? On the new ones, I seen them on 3.3. To be honest, if you speak about the drivers, if you speak about the drivers, yeah, the driver, I seen them on 3.3. I seen them on 5 volts. I seen them on 19 volts. Please speak on oscilloscope. Let me buy one first, yeah. Okay, guys. So everyone finished the coffee. It will be probably more videos over the weekend because I do have a lot of jobs here to be fixed, and I'll try to do some videos. Please, how can I spell bitmap? I don't know what is bitmap. Julius, what is bitmap? Bitmap on my laptop. Not sure what that means. I can't see anything on Google. Display has some corrosion after removing them. The 5 volts line shorted out. Mario, is very simple. You come with the power supply, yeah, and you come with 5 volts on a 5 volts power rail, and something it will get hot, you know, something it will get hot if you come with the power supply and you push some amps, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Karsten, I'm really sorry. Yeah, I don't know why I use that word. I'm really sorry, but yeah, it's my fault. Goga, nu înțeleg la ce te referi. Nu e nicio competiție aici. La ce te referi? El știu bine, da. El face video, are o afacere, le abladează pe YouTube. Eu fac același lucru. Care e competiția? Dacă te referi la număr de subscriberi sau viewers, sau, asta nu e... Dacă ăsta este scopul, nu prea poți să faci nimic în YouTube dacă scopul tău e cât mai mulți viewer și subscriber și astea. Nu te poți lega de așa ceva. Nu poți să faci asta pentru că vrei subscriber și viewer. Trebuie să o faci pentru că iubești ceea ce faci. Dar nu e nicio competiție. Okay, guys, I think it's time, it's time to do some work. Mă refer că el adoptă opusul tehnicilor... Opus? What do you mean opus? Cum adică opus? Goga, electronica e una singură. La ce te referi? El nu poate să folosească alte legi decât legea lui om. Opusul tendințelor tale de a repara. Thank you, Sonny from Algeria. You don't have to thank me, Omar. Don't worry. MKIII. Why didn't you send me a copy of your buyers for the XPS? Seems sensible to keep a backup in case of no further corruption. You know, if that's happened, you do have to pay again, you have to send the laptop again, and so on. That's the life. Do you have 3 months warranty for that laptop? But you understand, the people, they ask me for $200 for your BIOS. Yeah, that's the price they ask me, just to understand why I will not be doing something like that. Now, I didn't know about this. This is so expensive. And I asked my friends being from our Discord, not actually the people selling this kind of stuff. So I managed to do it. I do paid like someone from our Discord for this, yeah? Of course, not that much, but I can't give away the bin from that laptop. You can take the chip out, you can read it, you can save your bin, but I cannot give to the customer the bin. You know what I mean? It's a business. And yes, I do want you to send me the laptop back if the BIOS get corrupted. And I do want to charge you again, yeah, if it's not under warranty. That's how the business works. And the problem is that's not my one. Because I get it for nearly free, not free, because I did pay some money. I can't give it away. The people, it will get upset. The people, they help me. But yeah, you will not see on this channel again a BIOS repair on Dell XPS. I didn't know it's that complicated and that expensive. So how is everyone? Everyone finished the coffee? Almost. But like how I said, yeah, if you want the BIOS, that's when you are able to program that chip. Then remove that chip from the board, read the chip, and save the BIOS. You can do it. If you know how to program that chip, then you know how to read that chip from the board. The point will be then I could provide. No, you know how it is. In your place, I will say just take your money out from this, because most likely it will not happen again. I mean, it can happen, but it's not like it's a common fault on Dell XPS. If it will be a common fault on Dell XPS, a BIOS, corrupt BIOS problem, I will do it before, but I didn't do it before. This is my first Dell XPS with a corrupt BIOS. And this is the first video on this channel about a Dell XPS corrupt BIOS. So it's not like a common fault. Probably it will not happen again. So I will not worry about that one. If it will make you happy, look, I give you 1 year warranty. What do you think about that? 1 year warranty. Like the manufacturer. Of course, warranty for this specific work, what I did, yeah, the BIOS programming. O fac pe a treia. Wait a second, 1 second. Phone repair raw. Nu știu cum să explic, nu contează. Deci și dacă lipești fie, ascultă-mă, o să vezi canale pe YouTube, milioane de subscriberi, nu fac altceva decât fac lipituri. Deci ideea nu e ceea ce faci. Nu e nicio rușine că nu știi să faci mai mult. Poți să faci lipituri, faci numai lipituri și le filmezi. Spune eu cum fac ei, spune, uite așa, spune eu, poți să faci și tu dacă vrei. În loc de camera asta de aici, pui un DSLR, da? Pui un DSLR cu adaptor și imaginea arată perfect, fantastic. Și uploadezi filme făcând lipituri. Poți să creezi un canal cu milioane de subscriberi numai bazat pe asta și nu e nicio rușine. Adică e ok. Nici eu nu știu anumite chestii, mă uit la Louis Rossmann. Niciodată nu o să fiu Louis Rossmann, înțelegi? Adică el nu mai a făcut. El e expert. Probabil niciodată nu o să ajung la levelul ăla pentru că nu am chiar așa multe MacBook-uri. Nu e nicio rușine. Good morning, all from Canada. Mel, good morning. But it's common fault on XPS laptops. You know, Silvio, I didn't found this fault before. I mean, every laptop was like a hardware fault, but not or IO EC chip fault, but not like corrupt BIOS. Mario, salutări din România, salut! I'm not sure if it's a common fault. Because if the BIOS is a common fault, that sucks, you know, it's... if you people are on Discord, you are lucky because you can manage some things from our Discord. But if you cannot solve your problem with the Discord, then you have to ask people they are selling this kind of service, then it's expensive. I repair so many laptops with BIOS. Yeah, you can. Are so many laptops. Yeah, you can program the BIOS. You can program the EC chip. Yeah. But like the Dell XPS, you have to input like all the things. Yeah. What is that picture? I mean, I cannot even read that barcode from the board. Yeah, like this. I mean, how we can read that barcode from there? To take the data out from that barcode. That's what I mean. To take the data out from that barcode. Then you have a serial number, and then you have there another model number. Crazy. I didn't expect it. Which programmer do you recommend? The BIOS programmer? You know what? My one is sucks. I mean, to write, I edit the video, but to write and read like 32 megabytes BIOS, it's taking like 10 minutes. It's insane. Like 10 minutes writing, 10 minutes style checking, 10 minutes erasing. So just to test once, I need like half an hour. You have to read, you have to delete, erase, yeah. Then you have to program, and then you have to check what you program. And 1 second, you have one more step to check if your chip is blank. You need a faster programmer. I will buy a faster programmer. Someone recommend me. Well, 1 second, 1 second. Give me 1 second, because someone recommend me a programmer. But I don't know what it is. I will do my homework till next time, and I will let you know what I want to buy. I think it's around £100 or something like that. It is slow, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. You're right. It's doing what it's supposed to do for like £7. How much I paid for the programmer? Try as what programmer? What you can program? Phone repair. You didn't really see my video, right? You didn't see my videos. You mean this one? Like the IO programmer? Yeah, I do have. I have all the things here. I can program the IO chips. If that's the question, what you... I do have. I can program by keyboard. What's the problem? We were speaking about the BIOS programming, not about the IO chip programming. Adrian, nu știu. Nu știu ce au făcut. Mie mi-au cerut un tip din România, un tip din Cluj, e tipul de la noi de pe Discord care se ocupă cu Pistop Computers, are numele pe Discord, e moderator. El mi-a cerut seriile astea. A spus că și lui i s-au cerut seriile astea. Deci nu e el cel care l-a făcut, el cunoaște pe cineva care îl face. Mai mult de atât nu știu să spun. Hello from Argentina, hello. Yeah, I know Silvio. I know it's a clone, and I will buy the original one. I will buy the original one just for the support. Trey SP. I don't do any trainings. I mean, to get trained on electronics. You don't even need something like that. Mario, ai adresa de Discord în orice video al meu. În orice video te duci în descriere și vezi Discord acolo. Everything, I mean, right now on those days you can learn so easily electronic. I mean, you have YouTube, you have Google. I mean, you have Google, you can learn anything. Anything what you are looking for, you can learn. Păi și dacă nu ai pe ăla, Adrian, cauți rusul care am vorbit eu și când își cere $200 pe BIOS-ul de la Dell XPS, zici că nu-ți mai trebuie. Okay, guys, so we finished the coffee. Saturday coffee. Adrian, știi cum e? Eu n-am nicio problemă. Eu le-am zis și 500, 600. Deci fii atent, e laptop. Cât e laptop? Spune, eu refuz. Deci dacă nu se merită, refuz eu să iau jobul. Cât e laptopul? Frumos, pe eBay, 2000. Putem lua 1000. Și n-am nicio treabă. Iau 1000, îi dau la 200, îi mai dau 200 la asta când face legătura, înțelegi? N-am nicio problemă. Dacă clientul nu vrea să repare, asta e altă poveste. Dar, într-adevăr, un Dell XPS ca ăla de ieri e vreo 500 pe eBay. Puteam să cer mai mult. A fost greșeala mea că n-am făcut-o. Am apelat la relații, la prieteni să mă ajute cu asta, dar a fost o greșeală. Nu o să mai fac asta. Deci dacă o fac, minim 250-300, altfel nu se merită. Înțelegi? Nu poți să apelezi la prieteni într-una, bă, hai ajută-mă. Nu poți să faci asta. Okay, guys, I wish everyone a great weekend, a fantastic weekend. We should do some, repairs on a live stream. I wish I can do it. But have a fantastic weekend. And I will try to upload some videos because I have a lot of jobs here to do, and hopefully we can find some interesting cases from what we can learn. And yeah. I'm really sorry, I'm still pissed off and I'm still upset about the fact I'm getting older. I mean, it was a very depressing day yesterday. Some people, it's a happy day, but not for me. I'm still pissed off because every year you get older and kind of sad. So thank you guys for being here and having a coffee with me. I will say, see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.